Good evening, everyone. So here we are talking about question number 5.21. So in question number 5.21, the blade of the windmill sweeps out a circle of area A. So let us consider there is a windmill. There is a windmill and it has some blade like this, or blade like this. So it will sweep the area in a circular way. So can we tell here that this is the area of the sweeping? So this area is known as A. Okay. If the wind flows at a velocity of v, so wind speed is how much? V, perpendicular to the circle. What is the mass of the air passing through the it in a time t? So how you will find mass? So we know that mass is equal to rho into rho is your density of the any substance, and volume. Now here how you will find volume? So density is fixed. Okay, we can't change here density, it is given here 1.2 kg per meter cube into volume. So how you will find volume? So we know that volume is equal to what? Volume is equal to area into length, right? So here we can write here area into length. So can we write here into area into length is, can we write here length is equal to length, can we write here velocity into time. So here we can say that if we write here length in terms of velocity of the air into time t, where v is the velocity of the air. Okay, so I am just moving writing like this. So this v is your velocity of air, velocity of velocity of air, right? So we can finally write here mass is equal to rho density into area into v into time t. So this is your mass of the air passing at a time t. I hope you have understood now. Okay, this is small b. Consider this small b as a velocity of air. Definitely don't consider this as a volume, never. Okay, so that's why I have written separately volume like this. Understood? So this is what mass of the air is flowing. I hope you have understood question number a. Question number a, that is a. This is your a section. Now there is another question, that is what is the kinetic energy of the air? So if you want to find kinetic energy, so how you will find the kinetic energy? So kinetic, b has a question, kinetic energy of air, kinetic energy of air. So how you will find kinetic energy of air? So kinetic energy of air is equal to half m into v square. Now here tell me 1 by 2 into mass, you have just now calculated mass is your rho into a into velocity v into time t, and into again velocity square. So finally we are getting 1 by 2 into rho into a into v cube into t. So this is what we need, right? So this is finally we have got kinetic energy of the air. I hope you have understood now. Okay, fine. Now it's the third part is yours, that is your c section. C section, what question asking, we need to read one time. Okay, can we take this question again here below? So if uh, I can take this question here. Okay, fine, right. Now in question what they are telling, let us try to understand what they are telling in question. Question number C, what they are telling. Assume that the windmill converts 25% of wind energy into electrical energy, and area they have given. Area is how much? Area is 30 meter square. Velocity is your 36 kilometer per hour, right? So that is equal to 36 into 5 by 18 meter per second, that is equal to 10 meter per second. I hope you have understood now. Okay, so this is given, right? And the density, how much they have given? They have provided density 1.2 kg per meter cube, right? Now if they have provided density 1.2 kg meter per cube, so what is the electrical power produced? So first of all, what how much energy we are getting? So energy, we are getting energy from air in the form of kinetic energy. So energy from air, how much we are getting? Energy from air, how much we are getting? That is in the form of half mv square. Okay, so we need to calculate this. First of all, energy from the air, and this is your input. Okay, this is your input. Energy from the air is your input, right? Okay, and what is the output? Output, this is your input energy, that is half mv square. So can we write here half mv square as half into what is the mass? Mass is how much? Mass of the mass of the wind flowing is how much? So can we write here from above? It is your mass is equal to rho into a into vt, rho a vt, rho a into vt. Mass is equal to rho a vt into velocity square. So this is the energy from air we are getting, right? That is energy input. So if we want power input, can we write here power input is equal to energy from air, that is equal to energy input. Energy we are giving, air is giving energy input, energy input divided by time taken. So can we write here 1 by 2 into rho into a into velocity v into time t into velocity v square divided by time t. So tt got cancelled, so half into rho a, half into rho into half into rho into a into v cube. So this is power input. Now if we talk about power output, so we need power output, how much power we are getting. See here, power input is what? Energy, power given by air into the windmill, right? Windmill. And what is power output? Power output is energy in the form of electricity, in the form of electricity given by windmill. Okay, that is power output, right? Power output. So actually they have given what? They have given efficiency. Efficiency is 20%. So we know that efficiency is equal to power output divided by power input. Okay, so what we need? Actually we need power output. So power output is equal to efficiency into power input. So what is the power input? Efficiency into power input is how much? It's power input. So just now we have find out power input, half into rho into a into v cube, right? So by putting each and every value you will get the answer. So suppose we have efficiency is 25%, means 0.25. They have given efficiency as 25%. It means that 25 by 100, that is equal to 0.25, right? So you need to put it in a proper way. Into half into what is the density? Density they have given how much? Density how much? Yeah, density they have given how much? 1.2 kg per meter cube. So they have given 1.2 kg per meter cube density. 1.2. into area. What is the area they have given? Area, I hope you they have given 30 meter square, right? Okay, 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 30 meter square. So finally you have got 30 meter square into v cube. That what is the velocity of the air they have given? 10 meter per second. Just now we have find out it is your 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. So 10 cube it is. So if you will calculate this, so you will get power output and in the form of electricity. So power output will be 0.25 into half, that is 0.5 into 1.2 into 30 into 1000. So it's a 30. So this is your 4.5 into 10 power cube watt. So can we write here 4.5 kilowatt power is being generated by windmill. So this is the way you need to solve. I hope you have understood now. So any query, just you can comment in the given below section. Thank you everyone. Thank you.